Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 13th of August. Is Turkey heading for more trouble? On Sunday, Turkey's President Tayyip Erdogan stated being against the rate hike intended to improve the Liras' recent downfall. Erdogan rejected arguments that Turkey is in a financial crisis and added the currency drop does not reflect the reality and production of Turkey's economy. It must be noted that the US and Turkey have been disagreeing on various topics, from diverging interests in Syria to Turkey's desire to buy Russian defense systems, and the case of evangelical pastor Andrew Bronson, who is on trial in Turkey on terrorism charges. Trump on Friday declared the US would double the tariffs on steel and aluminum imports from Turkey, saying dealings with Ankara are not good at the moment. Erdogan urged all Turkish citizens to sell their USD and euros in order to strengthen the Turkish lira. Euro USD weakened further since Friday, breaking both our previous support levels 1.1510 and 1.1445, which have now turned to resistances. The RSI indicator on our 4-hour chart is under the reading of 30, which indicates an oversold market, which could change direction. If the common currency is undertaken by a bullish sentiment and traders are in for a purchase, then we could see the pair aiming for the 1.1445 resistance level and break it, aiming higher for the 1.1510 resistance barrier. On the other hand, if the selling interest persists, then the pair may break the 1.1375 support barrier and aim lower for the 1.1301 support hurdle. On other news, Russia-US relationships could worsen even further. Russia will further decline its holdings of US securities as a reaction to new sanctions against Moscow. Russian Finance Minister Anton Siluanov hinted an unexpected drop of Russia's holdings of US Treasury bonds. Statistically, Russia's holdings of Treasury securities dropped 84% between March and May, decreasing to 14.9 billion from 96.1 billion in just 2 months, according to official US reports released on July 18th. He also stated that Russia will focus on currencies such as Russian ruble and the euro instead of the US dollar. However, he made it clear that US companies that operate in Russia and employ Russian citizens will not be affected, as they aim to protect their people's interests, and that these companies pay their taxes accordingly to Russia's budget. USD ruble rose even higher during Monday's opening, as its Russian finance minister stated inflation could rise after the recent drops of the ruble. Technically, the RSI indicator in the 1-hour chart remains above the reading of 70, implying a rather overbought market. If the pair continues to be overtaken by a bullish sentiment, we could see it move higher and break the 67.51 resistance level. On the other hand, should traders favor USD ruble short positions, we could see the pair aiming lower for the 66.46 support level and aim even lower for the 65.57 support barrier. For today, no significant economic highlights are to be released. However, the fundamental news coming from the US, Europe, and Asia could affect the market significantly. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. You can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.